Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to put pictures side by side in Google Docs. Let's get started. Go to Insert menu, create a table, select the row and column, and insert the image into table. Go to Insert menu, Image, Upload from computer. Select the image and open. Now select the table and go to border and select the white color, or go to border white and select the 0. You can put image side by side another way. Just insert the image and wrap the image in front of text. Resize the image select the image and move exact ratio. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.